Here's a quick video to show you how I do the front loop double crochet and the back loop single crochet. So I'm here part way through my work. I've worked some of the row already, and to show you the remainder of these stitches that I'm going to do the front loop double crochet. So I'm wrapping my wool round, and in the next stitch, which is there, that's the first working row below the row you're on, and there's the second row, so that's the 2 row down that's mentioned in the pattern. So I've yarn over and I go through that loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops, and that's my double crochet. So as you can see, I'll do a couple more according to my pattern through the loop, and then we'll come on to a back row single crochet in a second. And these are US terminology stitches that I'm using. So here we get to the last one of the double crochet front loop, and then now my next stitch is going to be a single crochet back loop, which is through there, not there. So I push my needle through the back of the stitch, pull through a loop, yarn over and pull through. We'll do that again so you can see here my next stitch. So I push the needle through, not both of the loops, which would be that, but the single back loop there, pull the yarn through and through the 2 loops, and again through the back loop only, pull yarn through, yarn over and through 2, and that's the front loop double crochets there, and the back loop single crochets there.